Changing batteries in an Xbox controller is easy, and in this short video I'll walk you through it step by step. Okay, here's my Xbox One controller, and on the back there's a battery cover with a tiny arrow on it. Just use your thumbs pressing slightly into the controller, then slide it up. I can tell this controller is a bit greasy, so my thumbs were slipping a bit, but I'm still able to slide it off. Now grab two AA batteries and pay attention to the polarity when inserting them. What I'm showing you works for Xbox One and Series S and X controllers. Okay, I know this is kind of obvious, but it doesn't hurt to watch this as a reminder, especially if you're a first-time Xbox owner. And to make this a complete video tutorial, I'll show you how to change batteries on an older Xbox 360 controller. This one is slightly different. The batteries are in a caddy and it's released by a button up on top. Now just pull out the dead batteries. This controller uses AA's as well. Here, pay attention to the diagram so the batteries are inserted correctly. Then place the caddy with the bottom side first and snap it into place. And now you know how to replace batteries in Xbox controllers. Before I end this video, here's my final tip. If you have a greasy controller and have trouble removing the battery cover, here's something that can help. You'll need a rubber band and a cleaning wipe. First, squeeze out any excess liquid from the wipe and then thoroughly clean the entire controller. Then use the rubber band to give you extra grip when removing the battery cover. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.